Are you struggling to streamline your recruitment process, engage candidate very effectively, and build a strong employer brand? Recruitment doesn't have to be chaotic. Welcome to Teamtailor, the ultimate recruitment platform designed to help you attract, engage, and hire top talent very effortlessly. In this step-by-step tutorial, I will walk you through how to use Teamtailor to manage job posting, source candidate, track pipelines, and analyze performance, all from one intuitive dashboard. Right. So by the end of this video, you will know how to set up Teamtailor and you will know what it is for and whether it's a great suitable collaboration with hiring managers and generate reports to optimize your recruitment strategy or not. So before we get started, let's talk about the pricing because it is going to play a major role here. As you can see here, you need to fill up this information and just go and click on submit. Then they will reach out to you through your given email address and they will help you to know the price, right? Because it's depend upon from startups to enterprise, their pricing is completely different. And if it really suits your need, then they can give you some kind of discount and obviously you can negotiate for it. So before we get started here, on the top right side corner, you will see this login option. If you have the account, then you can just log in or just go and click on book a demo, right? And here, same information, you have to fill up all this information and click on book a demo. Now, once you fill up this information, you can see here you will be contacted shortly, right? And they will contact you through your given email address. Now, the Teamtailor is an all-in-one recruitment platform designed to help businesses. Now, here it gives you a lot of things, and I have briefed out, so you can just check this out, or you can pause this video. It can help you to create engaging job ads. You can source candidates. You can track pipelines. You can analyze performance, right? And it is a fully cloud-based and accessible from any device. It is seamless integration with tools like Slack, LinkedIn, and Greenhouse. It is a powered matching to fit the best fit candidate faster, right? And this provides you each and everything. So to get started, you have to come to this official website, right? And you can, the really best thing which I like, it can help you to tailor the interface to fit your workflow by adding widgets like job ad summaries, candidate pipelines, right? Of performance charts. You can rearrange elements. It helps you to integrate data sources. You can even set permissions, right? And you can define user roles and permission. You can customize your career site. So the setup process is intuitive even for the beginners, which you can see over your screen, right? And with your company logos and colors and branding, so it ensures to ready to hit the ground running. Now, one of the Team Tailor standout feature, its ability to create engaging job ads very quickly. So you can navigate to the job section and click on create new job. Enter key details like job title, location, and description. Now, there's a given template, so you don't need to create everything from scratch, right? You can choose from pre-built templates to save time and ensure consistency across your job posting. You can include videos and images and employees' testimonials to make your job more engaging. You can share your job ads on multiple platforms, including all the social media and your career sites just from this single tool. So you don't need to upload it everywhere separately. Attracting and engaging candidates is where Team Tailor truly shines. So you can search for candidate, you can engage very passively, you can automate outreach, you can track engagement. In short, these tools ensure you building relationship with candidates and keeping them engaged throughout the process. Now, there's a one more thing which I really like, that is a tracking candidate progress is critical for staying organized and ensuring no one falls through the crack, right? But you can see here now team tailors make pipeline management really simple. You can drag and drop candidates into appropriate stages such as screening interview or offer extended, right? And you can add notes, you can add tags and everything. So you can build in messaging tools to share feedback or assign tasks to hiring managers. You can leave comments or candidate profiles for seamless communication. You can use this visual dashboard to drag and drop, which you can see here, which is in the reviewing. And you can also explore their ATS, which will help you to identify the best CVs and everything, right? So finally, Team Tailors provide you a powerful analytic tool to help you measure the impact of your recruitment, vary efforts, and optimize strategies. So the key metrics you can track, which is the time to hire and cost per hire metric, source effectiveness, which platform delivers the most qualified candidates engagement rates such as email open and response rate. You can use these insights to identify bottleneck, recognize top performers, and refine your recruitment strategy. You can also export reports in various formats for presentations or audit. And here it is. So a complete guide. I hope you found this all this information really useful. There's a link given in the description. Please use that link if you're looking to use Team Tailor. Thanks for watching this video and subscribe.